Welcome! In today's guide, I'll show you how you can easily set a custom sound for your uploads and downloads notifications on Google Drive. If you use Google Drive regularly, you probably know how many notifications you receive when uploading or downloading files. Setting a unique tone can help you recognize these alerts instantly, without even looking at your phone. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, unlock your phone and go straight into your settings. This is where all the notification options for different apps are managed. Next, scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your device. From here, look for Google Drive and select it. Once you're inside the Google Drive app settings, tap on Notifications. This is where you control which alerts come through and how they sound. Now to customize your sound for uploads and downloads specifically, tap on Notification Categories. You'll notice that Google Drive groups its alerts into categories so that you can fine-tune them individually. Among these categories, find Uploads and Downloads and select it. This is the one we're focusing on today. Inside this section, tap on Sound. This will open your list of tones and notification sounds available on your device. You can choose from your phone's default sounds or any custom tones you may have saved. Take a moment to scroll through and listen to a few options until you find the one that feels right for you. Once you select it, your choice will automatically be applied. From now on, every time you upload or download something on Google Drive, you'll hear your selected tune instead of the default alert. This small change can save you confusion and make managing your storage a little easier. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've personalized your Google Drive notifications and made them much more noticeable. Thanks for watching.